Hey, due to the recent events with the coronavirus and everything going on with the economy, a lot of businesses are having to shut down. A lot of businesses are also cutting back on hours. A lot of people are working from home. And the economy is in bad shape right now. People are trying to figure out what they're going to do. We're willing to waive your deductible during these times. If you have an insurance claim, if your deductible is $500, if it's $250, we want to hear from you. We want to see if we can work with you on that claim. We want to see if we can waive that deductible for you and to make sure your vehicle gets repaired correctly. And we can still make that quality repair. We'll waive the deductible. We'll work with your insurance company. If you need to get your vehicle towed to the shop, we can actually handle that for you as well. Rental setup, we can do all that stuff. And if you're stuck on the claim process, you're like, man, I don't know what to do. They want me to download this app. They want me to send these photos. I'm just not sure what the insurance is wanting. I'm just kind of confused right now. I don't want to deal with this. Give us a call. We'll definitely help you through that process. We'll actually get that paperwork. We'll get the claim number and we'll do that process for you. So you don't have to do nothing. You don't have to worry about it. So remember, we're willing to waive your deductible, whether it's $500 to $250. We're willing to pick up your vehicle at no cost with the record service. And if you need rental reservation, we'll call the insurance company and we'll get that rental reservation set up for you. So give us a call. Certified Collision Works, 361-225-2555.